Good afternoon, I'm Kathleen Pate and this is my Alabama farm life. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to put on a hen saddle or a chicken apron, whatever you prefer to call it, and do a quick review. I bought 5 of these little garments from Twisted to Perfection off of Amazon. I paid $26.99 and shipping. I don't recall what the shipping was. I put them on a week ago to see how they held up, and from what I can tell, they've been doing just fine. One of them fits really well and the other one's kind of twisted, but I think that was a problem with how we put it on. So now I'm going to catch one of my hens and we're going to put on a clean apron. But first I want to do some shout outs to some of my favorite channels. I want to do a shout out for Simple Southern Moments. I love her videos. She's having a lot of fun with what she's doing. Take a few minutes and go see what she's doing today. You'll love her, I guarantee it. I also want to do a shout out for Gail Southern Living. She is always busy doing something. Right now she's doing a collaboration for a Ugliest Christmas sweater. So if you guys want to get into that action, you need to go over and check out her channel and see what's up with that. My hens were not happy with me doing this. By the time I caught her, she was really upset. So I started on the left side. I took the elastic and I started with the chicken's elbow, the wing elbow, and I slid the elastic over it, pulling her feathers through. And then I pulled it over, grabbed the elastic on the right side of the apron. I slid the elastic over her wing elbow, gently pulling all the feathers through, making sure that I got them all so that the apron will lay correctly. I apologize for the video. I tried to keep my hen in the center, but apparently I was too close and it just didn't work out. I'm still working on my video skills and maybe I'll try this again another time. These appear to be made out of a thin denim and a light cotton material. They are well stitched and seem to be well made. This is the first washing. It looks like they shrunk up a little bit, but they still maintain their shape. And if I put an iron to them, they probably would flatten out very nicely. My roosters have been pretty rough on my hens, especially those two. They have bare spots, but they are healing now because of the hen saddles. Yes, I recommend them. They're doing a great job. They're not torn, seams are good. The elastic is still stretchy, although I'm sure that'll wear out in time. But yes, I recommend these hen saddles. They seem to be tough enough. Okay, let her go.
Okay.